Hello guys, are you looking for an alternative to Milwaukee Fastback? Well, I hope so. I can give you some ideas. This is what I have found so far as an alternative, because this is the most popular utility knife with a screwdriver. This is very awesome. The problem is it's big, right? It's kind of big to be carrying in the pocket. I haven't found very difficult. I mean, it's a very good tool. It's just big, but it's lock. Yeah, it's lock the screwdriver. Also, it's lock the knife. It's interchangeable blade, so this is perfect. Just the size is big. Also, I'm not a fan of the red color either, so that's the only thing I have found for this one, that I tried to find an alternative. I also even tried to paint it in black. Yeah. Trying to put it here in this pouch. I put it in black. But also, even to put it in a pouch is kind of a big, alright. I think it's kind of big. So yeah, I'm trying to find another way to use it. So one of the things I have found was, well, I guess the Gerber Armbar, I guess is a very good alternative. Yeah, it's just the blades are not interchangeable. So what I did was I print this in order to make interchangeable, but anyway, because it's a plastic, it cannot be trusted too much, right? But if you're not planning to do very heavy work, I guess it can be an alternative for the Milwaukee Fastback. Just this blade is small, yeah, in order to make it slim. I also did it with this Gerber armbar. I put the big one too. I also make it's lock too. Yeah. Lock mechanism work. So, and also the blade, you just take out this and you can interchange the. It's an alternative, but and it's not really too bulky, even when there is the big, is the full size the blade. Right. But as I said, if you're not planning to do heavy work, I guess it will be okay. But if you do, maybe not an option, because this is plastic, right? So this is well, this is the smallest option, right? It's a KeySmart. Just well, the blade is, you cannot take it out, right? It's always there. And also, well, the bit holder is only for this bit. You cannot use the Leatherman because this is very small. So it's a good option, but not very functional, as I said. It's small for sure, but not what I'm looking for either. So, well, this is the slim armbar. Yeah, that's the way it was, the blade. I just changed this one, as I said, for this one. But well, this is the armbar. Okay, this one, the KeyBar, this is a very good alternative. Yeah, there is this mechanism for the blade here, the knife, And also, well, what I did, I bought this one online. Is the part of the Leatherman. I just put it into this key bar, and well, it works very well too. Well, it's not like a lock, of course, but you got very good torque here when you use it as an angle here. And well, also this blade is not locked either, but it's good enough for cut some boxes and things that I normally do day to day. And this is for Leatherman. And also there is a Leatherman, there is this big one that works good too, right? It has even a better size and still can be hidden here, right? This is a very good option, I guess, one of the best options. And well, it's definitely smaller, right? But well, the only thing, be aware, this is not a lock mechanism, right? Same as the bit, right? But anyway, it's good to have it here. Okay, this is the next tool. This has more than the tools I'm looking for, and this is not the blade I would like to be interchangeable, because I don't like this kind of blade. To me, it's very sharp. I don't need this. But well, this also has it's not locked neither, but it's very good. This is for Nextool. And also this bit is same as the Leatherman. Yeah, now Nextool has his own bits, which are similar to the Leatherman bits. So they work for both. Yeah, it's good. The next tool. This is a good one, but just as I said, the knife, you have this knife here. Oh, where is the knife here? Yeah. So this is not something you can take out, right? It's always with you. So that's something that's the problem, but it's a very small too. I mean, this is also good, really, but still the problem, right? And well, finally, this is the result of one accident I have with my Leatherman Skeletool. Yeah, because when I was using my Skeletool, this one, I was trying to open this one because it stopped to work. I was trying to open it, I put it here, and when I push like this, boom, it broke in pieces. And I couldn't ask for warranty because I already had this thing, so it's technically modified. So I have to use the part that was here, which I did. This one was somewhere here. Yeah, I don't remember what it was. Just like this. So what I did was to take advantage of the situation. Well, I bought this online to interchange the blade, and now this one can be, well, you need a screwdriver here, but this one can go out. So I have here my knife that I can take out the blade here. This is lock. This is a very good. And well, this one has his bit holder here, right? And it's already, well, they don't need to be locked because part of the body here. So this is a good one. But also what I did was also to buy online this one. This is for Leatherman. I added here. So also you can have an angle, right? So very good. So this is, I guess, the most close alternative to this one, because when we say when you need to lock your drive here, well, the only thing you do is to use this part, which is already in this. So this is lock, right? And when you need an angle, well, you use this other bit holder here. Actually, you carrying your Leatherman ratchet. Yeah, it's a very good here. So about the weight, let's check, for example, we see about weight. Let me take out this. And the weight, okay, let's check the fastback. Is 133 grams versus 70 grams. So it's almost half. Yeah, so you can see, look at this. You can see, yeah, the size is really smaller, right? So in that case, you can go from one pouch like this one, from this one to something smaller like this. Yeah. So it's a very significant size, reduction of size. If you're using this one instead of the Milwaukee Fastback. So I carry this, my Tipex, flashlight and a pen. So yep, here. Also I like to carry my Leatherman bits. You can use this one. Yeah, very good. Or as I say, this one. Or also this is the Viperade. This one is the alpaca. Same thing, right? Same kind of small too. So in any of both. And also carry my pen, flashlight, Tipex. But in this case, my Leatherman bits, I carry them in a size of like a credit card. Yeah. It's convenient way to carry them here. So well, I hope so guys give you some ideas. Doesn't mean you need to break your Leatherman Skeletool, but well, in my case I didn't have any other choice, and I guess at the end it was, I guess, a good result of this. It just probably, I don't know, the clip, how can we make one clip to this one, but anyway, I guess it's the most close good alternative I could make for this one. Well, I will let you know guys later how it goes using this one instead of my Fastback. Okay, thank you. See you guys.